Hi everyone! We often see many of our friends or even ourselves feel lazy in studying because of a lack of motivation within ourselves. Motivation is a very important life skill because every person on this earth is unique and has various goals. To keep goals well, one must be motivated to work to make dreams come true. In this learning English, this motivation is a very necessary because in learning, usually a person will have a feeling of laziness caused by many other factors. For example, like playing games until forget the time and be too lazy to study. Therefore, motivation is very important for this life. So, I'm Octavia Liamarni will tell you how important motivation is in learning English for anyone who study the subject because this motivation it can help move or direct these learning activities so that students in learning can achieve their goals and they can also study in earnest because there are good goals. With this motivation in learning, we can get three positive things. Okay, let's look at the first positive things, namely increasing learning achievement. That is, with this motivation, it will grow a big influence on a person's mindset to be able to improve his learning and remember again that he has a goal in learning English. And the second positive things is foster interest achievement. And with this motivation too, it can foster interest in a person to continue learning English because basically someone in learning English must entirely have goals that are very valuable for themselves. For example, like my goals of learning English language so that I can speak English language with foreigners well because I won't go to around the world with my family, and therefore with the motivation that arises from within me can foster a high sense of interest in learning English. And the three positive things is increased enthusiasm for learning. With this motivation that exists of grounds in a person, it can give high enthusiasm in learning English because from this motivation, a person can remember his original purpose, why he learned English, why he learned English because basically motivation can grow from within. For example, like when we say our friends who can speak English that where the motivation arises in beside and say my friend can do it why I cannot do so I have to be like him. That's the motivation that comes from within. And if now it's hard for you to get motivated, try to reflect on the reasons why you decided to study this course. Therefore, answers arise from inner thoughts and will generate self-motivation. Or we can also get it from our daily environment, such as saying our smart friends. From there, we can also be motivated and want to be like them. That's all for me. Thank you.